Looks like I'm gonna get rained on. So this is my 97 F350 that needs just about everything. It leaks all fluids. Engine oil, got a rear main seal out, transmission fluid, transfer case, both differentials, and gasoline. The front gas tank has a giant hole in it. It also has manifold gaskets that need replaced and holes in the exhaust. So as a responsible truck owner, I'm doing the first thing that every truck guy does. That's right, bigger tires. So these are 35 1250s off a Dodge 1-ton dually. They have a bunch of offset. It'll push the wheel out so I don't have to worry about it hitting on the frame. I also don't have to do a lift. I am going to have to do a little trimming along the fender wells and on the bumper. But nobody needs to worry about oil leaks, fluid leaks. Big tires fix everything. So, as you probably noticed when I was talking earlier, I said these came off a Dodge dually, and these are obviously a Ford 1-ton. They have the same bolt pattern. It's an 8 on 6.5, but the center bore on this, the Ford, the center bore is 4.875, I believe, and the center bore on a Dodge, this is an 03, is 4.75. So this is an 1/8 inch bigger. So we are going to custom machine the center bore. My custom machine, and then we're going to take this grinder and we are going to grind out the center bore just enough for it to slip over that hub. Yeah, it's probably not the safest thing to do, but that's what I'm doing. This truck isn't going to see a lot of highway miles. It is just a play around truck. But we'll see if they fit, see how they ride, go from there. I know they're a lot heavier, that's for sure. You'll know if you got enough if you look in the back. If it flushes out in the back. You're right in there. You got that. Once that gap's 100% closed, you'll know you have it right. Until then, that little lip around there is what you're trying to get rid of. See that little lip right here? It's kind of hard to see. There's a little lip. And you're just trying to get it barely over that. So to run this big tire, we're going to have to make a little breathing room. Just kind of follow the outside of the winder well, cut that off, and cut it off all back here. Got our friendly neighborhood grinder. Go to work. Alrighty. Now we got a nice cut. Found the Bondo. Not unexpected with these old trucks. Take a quick look. Nice clearance all the way around. That back part is the inner fender liner. That'll come out. But I think that's gonna clear some stuff. We got some plastic to take out over here. Like I said, the inner fender liner right about there. But that looks pretty like it fits. The back doesn't need any kind of trimming. And it just goes up and down. It doesn't have to turn. So far so good. She looks wide. Gonna need to get some fender flares. There you go. 35 1250s. Dodge Ram wheels. Ford F350. Made it happen. We're gonna do a lot more stuff to this truck. Like I said, it's got a lot of leaks. Leaks everything. But if you like this video and you want to see what else we're going to do to this truck, hit the little subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram. I got one of those too. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. That's ridiculous.